me, I always like checking out the bar. Welcome to the jungle. Let's see. Nice bar. Yes, people are having fun. See the DJ back there. Nice swing. Highkey, Rainforest, Rooftop. Lower Manhattan. Rooftop riding to do. I think my wife got a mojito with, she usually uses sugar instead of simple syrup. Okay, and I got a classic, you will see Casamigos on ice margarita. We're running to do here at Highkey, Rainforest Rooftop. My wife has a lobster roll. I think it's with butter, not mayo. I have shrimp and grits. That's turkey bacon and poached egg there. We are here at Highkey Rainforest Rooftop. Rooftop riding to do. We are still sort of hungry. We're here at the Highkey Rooftop. My wife wanted some bacon eggs, and I got a avocado tostada. We're here having a great time at the Highkey Rainforest Rooftop in Lower Manhattan. By Sheraton, we just had a great time at the Highkey Rooftop, Rainforest Rooftop, the World Record Roger Canoe. We're just doing our thing. Keep joining us, view us, subscribe to the channel, the World Record Roger Canoe. Until the next video, I'm out. Right there.